me see this one. How much they get to see. Okay, that's perfect. And then fine here, but how much can you make this one more that way?
Like
okay, so can you draw this one? Oh yes.
Like this.
Can you make it smaller? I know. It's just this. It's okay if you can see this one too.
If we don't see this one, see this one.
See it to scroll. I don't want this to scroll. I only want this to scroll, so that's what I was thinking to make it smaller.
You see?
Yes. You see what I mean? Because we can't see which one is it. So you have to minimize that one even more.
Hold. So you want them to do this, do that, and then
and then minimize it.
How so?
Like you know how you did the screen minimize?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the screen minimize.
I'm used to this type of minimize.
I know.
It's okay. I'm just trying to know what you mean.
I know. I don't have the lingo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even minimize more.
More?
I know.
But then they see the ugly background.
I know.
Okay.
So, yep. There you go. Because they want to see the prices. So that's fine. There you go. That's good because they can't see here. Okay. So now this one is messed up a little bit. So there you go. So you can see the prices. Yep. Perfect.
And then do they see the prices on this one?
And the screen, yeah.
Yeah.
See, yes. There you go. And then so make this a little bit down. No, like just like like extend it. Oh, I see. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a solution. So if we move the chart right here, I'll be okay with this. And then so how do I do this?
Wait, maybe we can stretch the whole thing. So like hold shift.
Shift?
Yeah, shift. No, shift. Where you capitalize the letter.
Oh, okay. Ooh,
like stretching it. It's gonna look warped kind of. I don't want to do it too much because it looks ugly.
Okay. That's good. That's perfect. Okay. So then we go there. Let's try it. And then is there a way you can put this one here so I get to see it on one screen? Yeah. If there are comments or something, I get to see it there.
Yeah, right there. Perfect. It's just incorrectly delayed.
I'm okay. Okay. Perfect.
So.
Okay. That's perfect.
Yeah, that's why keep this and that.
And then we can try to go this one too at the same time.
I mean, technically.
Can you turn it up? And then turn it back on like that?
Control R doesn't work. Yeah. Just gonna turn out my comments.
Why?
So that they don't hear us type of writing something. There we go.
Let's just leave it like that's perfect.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, so.
There you go.
All right.
Okay.
Sounds like, looks like we're all done here.
And then go light. And there you go.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do this.
Hey, TikTok people can see.
Okay. And there you go. All right. So I'm just gonna do the list really quick. Oh hey, he gets excited. Here's my. So I found 2 really good ones. So it's something good for you guys for your future. To learn all this. Okay, let's do this really quick. So I found this one. Last time we did it, we had a big run on this one. And so I usually go over pretty quick. So if you have any questions, just let me know. All right. So let's see. There you go. All righty. Okay. So this one, and if you guys, the winning team, have any questions, let me know. This one, the chart looks beautiful. Looks gorgeous. Can you guys see why? Okay, no one is typing, so then I'll just continue working. Yeah. So, you might see that. So last time I sent this out, we got a huge run. It hit all and beyond all the. So I think it's back down, right? So like we have some room up, definitely. And already it's getting close to what? Yep, exactly. See? There you go. I was like, where does the sound coming from? Okay. All right. So this one obviously is going to be major. The first one is like major reason low support, right? So we're going to do that really quick. And the cool thing about this one, it pays like 2.25 quarterly. So that's pretty cool. So we have potential like over a year, but the way the revenue works, about 28% growth. So I thought that was a really good find. Oh, the scanner. So I'll show it to you in a second. Good question. All right. So I'll do the green ones in a second, but the scanner right here. So you guys have these ones. I have a couple more other settings. Right here. See the first one? You see all the volume and all that. Can you see that? Yeah, so this one is a separate one that is like EMA costs, right? So this is the one, the settings that you guys have. Yeah, I will do that. No problem. But let me just finish that really quick. And then one right now, because I'm live on other option, I don't want to go through it. So I'll do when we private. Is that okay? Because it's only for you guys and the people that want to have that, they have to pay. But you guys don't have to pay. Okay? Yeah, so just want to protect it. Protect my winning team. That's it. Alrighty. So we clear on these levels? See, it's like pretty self-explanatory, right? Yeah. Okay, no questions here. Okay, so the next level, can you guys see what I'm aiming for the next level? Yeah, so but which one is the level? So you already can see me typing, but you get to see that. Yep, well, that's the second one actually, because that's really high, right? Percentage wise, it's really high. So that'll be, you're correct on that one. This is just will be the second one that you're referring to. And I'll show you why, because the text, you'll know why. Because you kind of already answered, right? So what would be, can you read that? Is it too small? Yeah, right? So because of, you already answered that. Because of, yeah, see? Is that it? Simple? Kind of simple, right? And actually, Ima, you did good on the second one. You did really good. See, you start seeing things, and that's the whole goal for you guys to see what I see. Right? Yeah. See, you got the second one. So now, like when it comes to, where did my drawing tools go? Okay, that's fine. Over here, I see it. So like if we will reach the, look, if we reach the second goal, that's 9%. That's a lot of money. Think about it. Right? Is that enough money for you guys to like, you know, you're just sitting there and just putting in there and you come back and check. It might take a couple weeks. Yeah, it ain't gonna happen in a day, but that's not bad payday, right? While we're doing the props, while we're getting payouts, that's all fine. But can you see like the next step, right? Yeah, I'll take it, like 10%. That's, so what's the next level you guys think? I'm gonna let you choose and we'll see if we agree on it. Now, and Q's just farting around. There's nothing to see. Anybody can see the second level, the last level. What will be the last level? Yep, exactly. See, like perfect. See, so much easier. That's, yeah. It's like how, I'm like so proud of you, girl. Like I'm really proud of you. So that's all. That's all I'm gonna say. And congratulations on your payout. Oh, you were not here today for the morning stream, and I was like, oh my god, we're so happy for you. Congratulations. That's like so awesome. And now look, yeah. And like now you're seeing all this, what you're sharing right now, you know all the answers pretty much. This is it. And this is our future. With chilling. That's it. And then on top of it, if you hold it for a quarter, you get what was it? What did I say? What was it? 2.25. Someone is asking, did I choose a Tradeify winner already? Yes, we did it on the live stream. So the next target is 15%. So it depends how depends of how much patience you have and how long you want to have your money hold up in here. But if you're also aiming for your 2.25 per quarter, you have to hold a quarter. You understand? Do you guys understand when you have to buy it in order to receive that? Oh no. Oh, you need help with that. So there's an ex-dividend date, right? So when people like, oh, what do I use this trading, what do I use this thinkorswim for? What I was like, oh, I don't need another platform. Well, actually, I beg to differ. So you guys know I'm gonna come with my receipts. So when you look at here, and then on top of it, when you slide, can you see that top of slides? It tells you the ex-dividend date. So if you buy it before September 3rd, which means if you buy it today on September 3rd, you still qualify for your dividend, 2.25 dividend. Yeah. So yes, you can find this information like anywhere, that's fine. But like if you gonna do this, right? So you want to know when is the ex-dividend date. So you have to be, I believe, a day before for that to receive it. So which is September 3rd. Today we are in the 26th of August, which means you have time to buy it to receive 2.25% on the amount. Yes, ex-dividend date on your amount that you already put it in. Plus, that's why I call it like double, triple dipping. You get your payout, you put it in the stock, you get before the ex-dividend day, and then you make 10% and you get your 2.25. And they're cool. You guys tell me. That's like, I think that's power, but it's just me. Yeah. I get excited. So if I talk so much, I just get excited. That's all. Because that's just like, that's a lot of money. You know? Okay. That's the. That's what really with the power of compounding and the power of growth and more than anything like building wealth comes in. Okay. Okay, so like you get $0.92 per share, right? So it depends how many shares you buy, so you have to do your calculations. So I think it's pretty cool. Alrighty, that's gonna go to swing trading. Okay. So tomorrow, guess what we're looking at? So which one will be the first green one? Do you guys see that or no? The first target? Yeah, the first green target. What would that be? That would be, yeah, but that's a little bit high. So that would be the second one. That's definitely the second one. So that's the second one, but it's a bigger gem. So like if you take percentage wise, it's a little bit, a lot for like that much is like a lot for like a first one. You know what I mean? Because yeah. So right now, Melissa, it's at 151. So this start right now, it's overnight. So it's 151 right now. This is what the price is at. I know the screens are small, so it's 151 right now. So so this is right here. Can you see this one? Last time it came here, it came down. So that yes, you know, that's exactly where. But if I hold it, so I'm not gonna move. So if you look closely at the white line, because if I move my mouse, you'll see. If you see at the white line and you go all the way back, look how it reacts at that level. Can you see how important this level is? The 155, 155, 156 area. Okay, I'll put a price on it and then I'll show you how to react. So how about that? Look at it. It's like literally a magnet. See, look, if you go here, it made a decision here. It went down. It came back to this. It went up. It came back to this. It went down. It came back to this. It almost went here and it took off. Then, because everybody saw this, it broke. And then it went to what? Back to this one. Crazy? Yeah. It's kind of cute, huh? So I do think this is a very important level, personally. And it's all subjective. I understand. It's opinion. But I feel like I have a little bit of proof in my opinion. Right? Okay. So the next one, it was exactly what Ima said, right? So you see the next one too, because that's around this area, right? Yep, exactly, Melissa. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you girls are really absorbing things, and I feel like you guys have grown so much. I hope you guys give yourself credit too. All right, what was the next one? The next one will be a little bit bigger, a little bit because it's the third target, right? So what will be the third one? Yeah, I think we are. We're the winning team, right? So what's the next one? What was the third one? I'll let you girls do it. Yeah, CNQ is doing nothing. It's just NVIDIA earnings. They did good and me not wasting time on it. Tiny bit higher, Melissa. Tiny bit higher. But you are in the right. So the 168-ish. Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah. Because of this wick and this reactions right here. Yeah. Just a little bit higher, right? So 166, it's like, it's okay. But because for the, like, it will be like a posted in the day trade, but like it's a little bit higher. So in case you have more patience and you want to hold it a little bit longer, that's all. So again, it's subjective. You can hold it on only up to Yeah, so there's a larger point of target more than anything. So you see, that's more realistic, right? So the first one will be 6, 7, like 7%. Yep, and the second one, it's about 12%, which is pretty good, right? Yeah, so that's it. So like the 166 is correct, but like just a larger point of like, because it has power all the way to what, 248, right? So if someone like believes in the stock and wants to hold it a little bit longer, they're more than welcome to do so. Okay. So now let's do the red ones. You guys can see that already, right? Self-explanatory. Explanatory. I don't know what to say. Okay. You guys want me to do the next one, or you get to do the red one? Yes. Oh, 4 hours. It just, I don't know. It makes more sense for me. Because 4 hours is like swing trading. So like if you do like investment, yeah, you probably want it a little bit bigger. But swing trading 4 hours is kind of like, it's like perfect for me. Do you guys want to do the other red one, or you want me to do it? Yep, the line's exactly there. Yep, that's exactly where it lands. So I want to do like in betweener. I still want to do like right here a couple more in betweeners. But the 128 is similar to 135. It's that area, right? So that would be this area. So obviously this one is a big one, that maybe right here also what is found the reversal, but I want to do like a couple more in betweeners here because of the swing trade, right? So it might go down a little bit if we want to average it in, or we'll look for the entry. Hi, D Queen. Oh, you're welcome, Mookie. Right. So it's because it's a swing trade, right? So like we looking at the bigger point of view, but like if we need to average it in, so let's say you go into the stock and it goes against you, right? So what do? We don't just do it just to do it, right? So we want to see the levels where we found the buyers, where we found the support. We're like, okay, if it's like 150, do I buy it? Well, no, you might want to wait for go down a little bit more. So that makes sense. So I really like the 141, 142 area. Like right over here. Yeah, can you see that? And I'm holding, if you look all the way, I don't know which way on your screen is, all the way, let's see right here. Look at that, see? Can you see this, Melissa and D Queen? Oracle. Remember last time we posted Oracle? I looked at it, was 23 days ago. We got a good run on this girl. So can you guys see it right here? So look, boom, 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 and boom, and boom. So yeah. So it just popped up. It's pretty high up. And then we did this one too, which I posted already, the and the swing tray. So you get to see it. We already did that one. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the next one. Clone. Yep, you see it on yours? So like see right here, every time boom, boom. Like right? So and right here it stalls out. Like it keeps flushing, it stalls out of this area. So I do think it's pretty safe to say that we good here, right? Yeah. Alrighty. So and we're gonna do with the last one. Last one, I think Ema for sure knows this one. Do we know what's the third one? It's okay. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to go slow to see who gets to see it. Do we know the last one? And why is the last one there? Yeah, I mean this is in the larger point of view, yes. But I'm doing one more. That's your favorite word. Alrighty. 200 EMA. Alright, so let me make sure you guys get to read it. Alright. Everybody good? Okay. That's a big pump. NVIDIA. So MST already posted today, right? It did flush today, but now it's taken off. So I think we're gonna do good with D Queen. Are you tracking MSTR? Because I didn't track.
No, I don't think. I need to go and look. No.
Okay, so I posted today, so you can start tracking today because if you go here, like you see it's breaking out.
Can you point to that again? What were you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm doing a million things at once. Where'd it go? Okay. So, it's a smaller screen. Let me put it up so you can you see that? So, for like last night, I put the MSTR for the watch list, right? And it flashed today, but I saw a lot of volume, a lot of money in it. And yeah, after flashing today, it's actually now it's gonna. I think we're gonna get a good ride on it. And I posted the chart yesterday. Just to track it for us, you know. That's it. Nothing major. Just to put on our radar. All right. And that's done. Any questions for anyone?
No.
Make it. Yeah.
I just will update my charts now with these levels.
Yeah. So, because market always moving, but I see a lot of potential with both. Can you see that? Like this one. So it looks very similar, but that's only, you know, I all look pretty much for the same thing, right? All the time. That's the reason for my success, is that I'm patient enough to look for the same chart or similar setups in different companies, right? So okay. And we get here, so we're gonna end this stream, and then you might, if you're listening, okay. So I'm gonna end this, and then we're gonna go be with my winning team for a couple more minutes because they have questions. And we're gonna end this, and we're gonna end this one. Okay. All right. Okay. So I think I'm off. Okay, so this one has to look. So the reason